Hi guys, here we are at South Muskham level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. Here we go. Right, our last train was a freighter. As you can tell now, the barriers don't bang anymore. They've obviously been doing work on them, but they still need to upgrade this crossing. If they think this crossing doesn't need upgrades, they must be out of their mind. Look at it. Still got the old lamp bulbs on it. Right, we've got a green signal, I think. This is, yeah, we've got a green signal up the track. So, our train must be coming from this way. There's nothing coming from the other way. By the way, that light up the signal up the track is resting like it's green. Here we go. We've got a 43 coming, guys. $43,296, and up they go. The first one was 43,307. That was 43,296. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.